Hello everyone. Today we are at the Half-Day Forest Preserve in Lincolnshire, Illinois. We are on the Des Plaines River Trail, headed to the Des Plaines River. A couple days ago we had about 18 hours of straight rain here. So we're going to check out the river at a point where the trail crosses the river, and we're going to see exactly what the waters look like. This should be interesting, so let's check it out. You can see how high the water has gotten just in this pond alone. I suspect that it is not normally this high. Now just beyond this curve here is the bridge that I'm trying to reach, but check this out. This is not a pond here, folks. This is actually the Des Plaines River coming up almost to the bike path. The main river is way over here. You can see the water extends a little bit over here as well, and even back here. This is looking south along the Des Plaines River. And yes, it is definitely flooded. I am sure it's probably been a lot worse at times in the past. But you definitely cannot see the bottoms of many of those trees over there. Pretty strong current as well. Here we are looking north. Now I suspect that this part here is not actually part of the river, because look how far the water goes back here. That was looking south, and now looking again to the north. All the water in this area as well. And this is where the trail ends for us. And so that's what the Des Plaines River looks like after about 18 hours of straight rain. Pretty interesting. And we're supposed to get more rain next week as well. Thank you for watching. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And check out Memories by Wayne on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you for watching.